Hello guys, let's eat what do you call this one, sardines with egg. Ayan, pinaghalo-halo ko with the flour like that, and then I mix. I put onion, garlic, and a little bit chili para mas masarap. Actually, I should make sausawan na suka with matching sibuyas and bawang and paminta, pero hindi pa ako kumakain, hindi pa ako nag-agahan, kaya mas pinabuti kong isawsaw na lang sa ketchup sumakat ang ating sikmura. So we are here sa tabing dagat mga lods. Ayan, habang ako ay nagmumuni-muni at nag-iisip kung paano yumaman. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.